Hello friends, welcome to back to our channel Crochet Lovers. So friends, how are you? I hope all will be Almighty keep you happy, keep you homes and happy today, and may you continue to enjoy like this. So friends, today I will share with you the very beautiful crochet top shirt designs. Before starting the video, I request all of you to subscribe my channel first, and also make sure to follow. Be sure to follow, press the bell icon. You can see very beautiful and amazing designs. Show to you people in it. All the designs that I am sharing with you today are all new designs brought to your channel in the first time. You can also buy to the market about such designs. You can get many ideas from my video. So friends, this video is very helpful and useful for you guys. Please subscribe my channel Crochet Lovers, and you can also get many ideas from my videos and show it to someone else, and you can make a similar designs. And if you guys want to, can take a screenshot from my videos. And if you guys, this video is very popular in the country and girls love such clothes. So friend, today's video is amazing. Every video is a lovely designs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I am very grateful to the people who have subscribed to my channel. Stay with me, will remember page, and bye. Thank you.